Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! In today's video, I am going to show you guys how to contour your nose if you have oily skin. Now, of course, when I did my how to prep your skin for oily skin video, how to prep your skin for foundation when you have oily skin video, a lot of you said that your makeup tends to slide off your nose. Now, whenever I started doing makeup, my makeup also slid off my nose. So we're gonna tackle nose makeup. I know it's very specific, but if you have oily skin, you know what I'm talking about, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna do a quick skin routine and then we're gonna jump into the nose, okay? Contour. Honestly, if you know, you know, but this is the most mattifying combo that I have tried to date. The only reason why I don't recommend it as much is because a lot of these products are sold out, okay? So that's why I'm not like talking about it a whole lot. But I know that the matte, the e.l.f. matte oil controlling lotion is available on their website. I will put the link to me trying out the e.l.f. matte products down below so you can see the results. It is amazing. Like if you have oily skin, amazing. And it has kaolin clay in all of them, so it keeps your face matte for a really long time. And then I put the matte oil controlling primer on as well. It doesn't look much like anything. It actually doesn't even show up on your skin, so a lot of the times it looks like I have nothing on. I'm going to use the Stay Naked foundation. It is a very fluid foundation. This is the shade 92NN. There is a lot of numbers when it comes to this foundation, but I'll put the link to me swatching the shades down below so you can check out the video, and then maybe that would help you figure out which shade is yours. But there is a lot of numbers when it comes to the deep dark end. I'm just gonna go ahead and blend it in. I feel like a lot of you know my JP shade, and a few of you have been requesting that I use, you know, like show other foundations. Did you see how easily and how quickly this Urban Decay foundation blended into my skin? Like, I'm also using the Sigma F80 brush. This is the flat kabuki brush. Definitely check it out. I will put the link to everything I'm using down below as well so you can see it. I am gonna go ahead and do It's Hot Chicks method. She does 2 layers of foundation to give you a flawless look. So we're gonna start doing that because we want to look as flawless as possible, okay? And it's gonna make it full, like full coverage on cover everything. But because of the way this foundation is fluid, it doesn't really look like I have anything on my face. And it dries down very quickly too. It doesn't feel tight or matte or like suck you dry kind of matte, but it's definitely not dewy, and you can tell. And no, I don't put powder on after when I'm using the e.l.f. system because it keeps my face matte. I couldn't find my already used e.l.f. blotting mist, so I had to go ahead and open my backup one. I have to find the other one because I don't want this to sell out and I don't have any more, okay? So yeah, let's make sure that I have more. I'm going in with the Urban Decay concealer. This is 80NN. Ooh, it's bright. So we'll keep the 80 in the middle of the face, and then we're gonna go in with 90 WR. Now when it comes to the nose, I know we just, you know, put a concealer line in the middle so that we can have that highlighted nose bridge. But for your nose, if you have oily skin, what I like to do is put the powder all over my nose, okay? Because we need to make sure that the powder sets everything on our nose before we go in with the contour. If not, once again, it's gonna slide right off the nose, right? So if you notice, I never brushed off the powder off my nose, okay? I just kept laying whatever I had on top of it. I applied some blush over it, and now it's time to contour the nose. I never go in with the same contour I use on my cheeks for my nose because it's gonna be too deep and it just does not look okay. So I am gonna go into my Juvia's Place chocolate palette, and I'm taking this shade first, and I'm going to use that to contour my nose. This gives me a very, very mild contour to where some people would say you probably won't see it, but I know that you can see it because it definitely makes a difference. If you look right here under my brow compared to this, you can see that this is deeper than this one. And I just go as close to the middle of my nose as I possibly can and connect it to the tip of my brow. And I also go under my brow. And when I go under my brow, it prevents that halo floating brow look. It actually helps tie my brow to my whole look. Just do the same on this side. Okay, and just like that, we have a very, very subtle nose contour using this shade that you wouldn't have thought to use as your nose contour. Okay, as you can see, I went ahead and just added a little bit of shadow on top of my nose. I was also able to use the same nose contour to hide that harsh line that was under my brow so that it makes my brow connect to my face and just adds to the overall look. Let's go ahead and just add a little finishing touches and we'll see what it looks like in the end. This Huda highlighter palette, this is the Rich Glow Obsessions palette. It looks so good. Like, honey, this is gorgeous, okay? I really like how the glow, it just makes the glow look effortless, okay? And for someone who really is like almost afraid of highlighter, this is like really perfect, okay?